How low is the threshold for self-studying tattooing? Before answering this question, please have a have at this view. After pierced into skin by a needle, the color will be remained forever. Skin is a natural canvas. This art form goes with pains. However, it will keep awaking people's curiosity and develop tattoo arts into a fashion and trend. Beautiful tattoo will change a person's temperament. What's your first impression on tattoo? Share your thoughts in the comments. This is a self-made tattoo tool with the most slim needle tip. The smaller the needle tip is, the lower resistance is, which helps the needle pieces into skin much easier and create delicate and elegant patterns. This is a tattoo needle. With a bandage, you can make it into a basal tattoo tool. Get yourself a cup of ink to make simple pattern by dot working. You can get even better pattern after practice. Tattoo is a charming art form. This is Japanese tebari. Usually, it will cost at least 3 years to create a full body tattoo. This can be regarded as a proven of perseverance and courage. A hand-poke tattoo needle is driven by hand. The force from hand is the only power your hand will play out after tattooing a whole pattern. The frequency can only reach to 3 times per second. Obviously, hand-poke tattooing has low efficiency, so some people began to make their own tattoo machines. Tattoo machines provide a continuous source of power and stable frequency, but creating a good tattoo design still depends on the artist's skills. In the following lessons, I will explain the techniques of tattooing in detail, so that everyone can quickly become familiar with the methods and skills of tattooing, avoiding unnecessary detours. Returning to the title, how low is the threshold for self-studying tattooing? The threshold for tattooing is simply a needle and ink. Please pay attention to selecting sterilized tattoo needles. Creating an exquisite tattoo design requires honing one's skills. In the next lesson, I will explain the use of a tattoo kit, greatly reducing your time cost, and teaching everyone in the most simple and easy way. I am Zero. Farewell.